This is a video tutorial that will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups coming from the site Operateheavilyspeedyinfo-product.info. This is a deceptive site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also affect other browsers. These pop-ups are presented as some important Chrome update, but this is not true because these are fake Chrome updates. Don't tolerate them and simply leave this deceptive page. Such pop-ups promote installation of unwanted browser extensions. So you need to leave this page, and if any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to your Chrome, access the menu, go to More Tools, then select Extensions, and from this place get rid of any third-party extensions if they were installed. I also recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.